I was on my way to the beach. I turned around to go to the bathroom, Lord. I just missed this. Lord, touch. This is horrible. A public service bus flipped over and crashed and running a stop sign and ran into New Jersey Transit. The driver cannot even get out. Lord, he's pinned. Lord, have mercy. This is horrible. All the lights is out in New Community. Lord, I thank you for traveling mercies. This is horrible. Lord, have mercy. Jesus, they're trying to get the bus driver up though. He's pinned. Oh my God. He is pinned. Father, help, Lord. Jesus. This is horrible. What happened? We don't know. Look at the bus. All of them sitting down right here. Everybody that's bleeding. Don't help me film it. Please stop. Stop. Pull up. Help me. Please don't film it. Stop. Stop. Film it. Please. But they're gonna fucking hurt.